Imagine two bridges, one built with strong materials, carefully connected, every part working together. The other looks the same on the surface, but underneath, the connections are weak, unstable. Both bridges stand until pressure is applied. Hi, I'm Chris. Over the last few videos, we've talked about trust, how it fades, how it changes behavior, what it costs, and how it's affected by division. Today, I want to bring it all together. Because trust is not just a social idea, it's a form of strength. A nation's strength is often measured by its economy, its military, its technology. But underneath all of that is something less visible, how well its people can function together. When trust is strong, people cooperate, systems work efficiently, decisions happen faster. But when trust is weak, everything slows down, everything strains, everything becomes harder than it needs to be. And here's the part that matters most. You don't truly see the strength of a nation in calm times. You see it when it's tested. And in those moments, trust becomes everything. Because without it, even strong systems struggle. Even good intentions fail. So when I talk about trust, we're not talking about something soft. We're talking about something structural, foundational, essential. A strong America is not just built on power. It's built on people who can rely on each other enough to stand together when it matters. Thank you for watching, and God bless America.